Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 15th day of recording myself, and today I'm going to end this book. There is 2 or 3 chapter is a lot. I will explain it very shortly so that it ends here, because there is nothing important left in this chapter, and there are so many things which is very point to point things which I can't say about, because if I will make a mistake I will go in deep thought that I have done something mistakes, and which is I don't need to do that. So today I'm going to just shortly describe the things of the chapter. There today I'm going to describe how many chapter I will tell you. Let me wait. I am going to describe about the chapter the king's stories. The story of king's son save tigers, King Solomon wisdom, mother's love. This is a story about the mother's love, and the missile man of India, which is known as APJ Abdul Kalam. So moving to the first chapter, which is the story of the king's son. So once upon a time there was a king who ordered their 2 sons to make a channel aqueducts, means channel of a channel through which the water goes to his kingdom, because there is a shortage of water in his kingdom, in the king's kingdom. So he ordered his 2 sons to made a channel through which water can come to his estate, his kingdom. So both of his son followed the things and went to the work. First, the elder son of the king went with a army member of the king and some portion of richness with him, means money with him, and he moved to the north one, and kept completed his work before the time limit he has been given. He did the work with perfection. He hired so many laborers from the village, and he paid them fairly, means money. He paid money fairly to them, and he did not do injustice with anybody. He was proud of his work, and he was going back to the palace. When he was proceeding to the palace, he saw people were celebrating to be the king of the palace of his younger brother, means the king has decided to make the younger son a king of that kingdom. So the elder elder brother, he got shocked. He was in shock that how it is happened, how he got to know that his brother took only 1 year to complete the channels. He was very surprised. So he got to the southern area where his brother was working. He reached there and saw so many faults in that channel. There were so many channels opened, and the amount of water which was about to come at that the kingdom, that was not possible, because he has not made the channels perfectly. He has not done his work with perfection, and he had not paid any payments to the villagers workers which he used. And he also used so many armies of the king as a laborer. So this was the things. He went back to the palace, and he consulted his father that these are the mistake which his younger brother done. He said that I love my brother, but these are the mistakes which he has done. So you need to, he told his father, so you need to change the decision of making him a king. Then his father said that he convinced the workers to work freely, and he did not take any money. He did not expenses so much of money. he didn't spend that much of money that you did, and every worker were working for him without, after knowing that he is not going to pay. They all were aware of this, and he also convinced the prime minister of there to do injustice, and he also convinced the armies to work as a laborer. He done everything, and every people not only treat him as his king, he just, they all adore your brother, and they just not treat him like a king, he treat him like his leader. So the, in spite of thinking that his elder brother think that he is, in spite of saying something which is not done correctly, his father is taking greatness, things of greatness, and saying good things about his brother. So he just decided and went to his brother and congratulate him about getting the king's position. So this was the first chapter I was talking about. In the second chapter, we are going to study about the tiger. So how the tiger, I will shortly tell you what we are going to read in this chapter. In this chapter, we are just going to know that we need to save the tiger because they are at its extinct. There is so less number of tigers are left, so we need to save him. And this is the whole chapter in this, which is about saving the tiger. So this was the second chapter. Now I will move to the third chapter, Kingdom Solomon. Oh, it is a Mother's Day story. In this chapter, we are just going to know the sacrifices that mother has done to carry out, to grow his son, whatever he has done to for his um, son. And he was talking about his mother in story, that these are the things which my mother does for me. And first of all, in this in the first page of this chapter, there is a full form of mother has been given, and these all what is. M stands for millions of things she gave to me. O means many things that she is done to me growing old. Mother is, T is for the tears she shed to save me. Mm, H stands for the hearts of purest gold she has. E stands for, E is for her eyes with light, love, and shining. R means the right, and she shall be always right. And this is the son talking about his mother, and this holds means the, and her, the for the boy, her mom means a lot to him. So this was the whole story. In this chapter we are going to study. And now let's move to the last and the only last chapter of this book, which is Missile Man of India, and which is APJ Abdul Kalam. The APJ, in this story we just need to know that APJ Abdul Kalam has done very many things for the things. He is known as the Missile Man of India because of his greatness contribution to the development of ballistic missile in India. So he was only the thing that youngsters are the generation which we need to focus on. They are our future. They are going to do so many things for us. So we need, in spite of thinking about the older generation, we should focus on the youngest generation of our youth of our country. We need to focus on the youth and give them good things so that they can spread. When they get more younger, they will spread more good things to our society. See, he was that. See, he always tried to talk to the youngster and encourage them. So with whatever they are doing, he always tried to encourage the youngster and talk about youngster a lot. So this was the whole story about the APJ Abdul Kalam. There is so many things written in this book, but I'm not that fluent so that I can explain so many things, because without looking at the book, I'm not that fluent. Once I get, I will for sure, I will do that. And this is all about the chapter and this book. I have gone through all the stories of the book, I think I have done a great job, and this book is over, and I will move to the next book. I don't know, I haven't found any book right now, but I will. She has given me my younger sister, maternal uncle daughter. She has given me lots of book, but I will just check out who which book I need to start next. And this is all about the stories of this book. And today this book is going to end, and it has already ended. And I just like this book, and there is so many morals of the stories of this book, and it was very nice. Should I told you the everything about the moral values of the chapter? So first, we are, God is great. We need to believe in God. In whatever situations we are, we need to believe in God. The story of the rabbit, in the rabbit is talking about the generosity. You understand that I told you that generosity is the meaning of in which we are going to work and help to the other people in without expecting anything in return. And in the talkative tortoise, you when they're moving up to other place because of the drought, and two swans geezes were holding the stick, and between them there is a tortoise, and he was not able to control himself, and he start when the city peoples were talking and saying shit about him. He did not able to control himself and started to talk. And once he opened his mouth, his grip grip got something, and he fell down, and he died there at that time. And Midas and the golden touch, the greediness, the story of the greediness, we the king we asked the strain to give him power, whatever he touches he turn it into gold. And when he once he got the power, he touched all the things around him, and all the things got in the gold and changed into gold. And once he was hungry and trying to have an apple, the apple changed into the gold. Uh, and while seeing all that happening, his daughter got to hug him, and she also turned into gold. And then king realized that greediness is not a thing which is, and he requested the strain to take away his power, so that everything went good, smooth, normal. Trees are our best friend, in which we talk about the trees, what they are wanting from us. They are giving so much things to us to keep us alive, and we are not doing anything. So he was respect, and the trees were requesting us to save them and water them, then to plant them. This was the whole story in the trees are the best friend. And the rotten potatoes, in which we learn about the things we need to forgive everything what we have, and we did not need to hold grudges in our heart. This was the whole story in the rotten potatoes. The big fighters I did not explain to you, because there is also so many things which I am not able to convey it correctly. But it was all about the women of brave women who have done so many expect so many things for us. And they all have taken so many courage and fight against the system, like Nirja, who saved the 360 passenger life when the plane was hijacked. And the Lakshmi, who was got attacked by the acid, and she has taken sign of 27,000 27,000 attacked women, so that the acid is banned in our country. I mean, talking about the Dhyan Chand one, he was the one who found who faced the Hitler. That he stand for his country and everything. I told you I'm not able to explain right now, but I know the story and I have already explained you the story of the king and the son. Right now I have told you all the story, and so this is all what I have explained you in this chapter. And moral of the story of all the chapter I have just explained you, and that's it for today's video. I know I have talked a lot today, and thanks for watching. It's been very nice when I'm feeling good right now that I have conveyed so many things and I have finally ended this book. And today is the 15th day, and I'm very good. I'm feeling proud of myself. So, bye bye.